How is teeth whitening different from teeth cleaning? Is what that we will be looking into this video. Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry, running dental centers at Chennai, Rajanamalipuram since the year 2001. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Pearls Dentistry, please do subscribe to our channel. Our teeth can get stained for various reasons. Our teeth and gums can accumulate deposits over a period of time, even with regular cleaning like brushing and flossing. So, when it accumulates deposits, our teeth can also pick up stains that are there in the food we eat, in the drinks we have, and then it can get discolored. So when you do a tooth cleaning, it helps to remove those deposits that are accumulated on the teeth as well as on the gums. When you do a teeth whitening is different from teeth cleaning in the sense that teeth whitening helps to lighten the color of our teeth and not just do a surface level cleaning. So that's the main difference between teeth cleaning and teeth whitening. I repeat, in teeth cleaning we remove the deposits that are there on our teeth and gums. In teeth whitening we lighten the color of the teeth. So the next obvious question would be how the process happens. So what is the difference in the process? I would call teeth cleaning more of a mechanical process where we use some instruments like an ultrasonic scaler which helps to clean the surface deposits that are there. Teeth whitening, I would probably call it like a chemical or a laser assisted process where we apply some whitening agents on the tooth activated by either using a laser light or a light in a blue spectrum and then whiten the teeth. So the mechanism by which teeth cleaning is done and teeth whitening is done are again different. The third main difference between teeth cleaning and teeth whitening is the effects of it. Teeth cleaning, of course, is very essential. It needs to be done once in 6 months' time. It's very safe to be done, and it removes the surface deposits and whatever surface stains that are there on the tooth. Teeth cleaning helps to remove the surface stains. In teeth whitening, if you look at it, the teeth whitening lightens the color. It is just not the surface color of the teeth is not brightened by teeth whitening. The whitening gel or the whitening agent gets into the teeth and then lightens our teeth color from the inside. So the effect is not just on the outside, it's effect on the inside too. So that's the third major difference between teeth whitening and the teeth cleaning. The fourth one is, of course, as I said, teeth cleaning is very safe, can be done repeatedly every 6 months, very safe to the enamel. Of course, we won't do teeth whitening at so frequent intervals, just for the simple fact that at each time we do it, we need to apply a chemical agent. So we don't do it every 6 months. It's not safe to do it every 6 months. So that's the fourth, the main difference between between teeth cleaning and teeth whitening. I hope you have answered most of the questions regarding this. If you have any other questions, please do ask. We'll be happy to answer. Until next time, bye bye and thank you. This is again Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. And thank you. Bye bye.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.